In this question, we are given that m and n are integers. We have to find the value of m plus n. Since there's not much that we can infer from the question, we move on to step 2 and analyze statement 1. Now the statement 1 tells us that x will not be equal to 0 and the product of x plus m and x plus n, this is equal to an equation which is x squared plus 5x plus mn. Now you can solve this in two ways. So one way would be to multiply this equation and get x squared plus m plus n times x plus mn, which is equal to x squared plus 5x plus mn. Now x squared and x squared gets cancelled out, mn also gets cancelled out. So we are left with m plus n times x is equal to 5x. Now this gives us that m plus n is equal to 5. The other way would be to multiply x plus m and x plus n, get the equation. Now this is equal to x squared plus 5x plus mn. Since this is an equation, the coefficient of x squared on the left hand side and the coefficient of x squared on the right hand side will be equal. As we can see that the coefficient of x squared here is 1 and on the right side is also 1. Similarly, the constants will be equal and the coefficient of x will also be equal. That means we can directly say that the value of m plus n will be equal to 5. So we conclude that statement 1 is sufficient since we are able to find out the value of m plus n. And out of the given options, we eliminate B, C and E. Now the statement 2 tells us that the product of mn is equal to 4. Now there can be multiple possibilities. Mn can be equal to the value of m and n can be equal to 4, 1 or 1, 4 or 2, 2, and it can also be equal to -4, -1 and so on. Since we are getting multiple possibilities, we conclude that statement 2 is insufficient and the correct answer is option A.